Before you apply for Google AdSense, watch this. One small mistake can delay your approval. First, go to Google AdSense website, click Get Started, and choose the Google account you want to use. On the next page, you can skip adding your website for now and do it later. Choose whether you want to receive emails, fill your other personal info, select your payment country, accept the terms, and continue. Your AdSense account is now created, but you still need to complete some important settings. After creating the account, go to the Payment section and enter your personal information, like address, line 2, etc. Phone number are optional, so you can skip them if you want. Choose Individual or Business, fill in your details, and submit the form. When you see the green confirmation here, your account setup is complete. In Payment Info, you can track your earnings, view transactions, and add your payment method. Finally, go to Sites and add the websites you want to monetize with AdSense, and that's it. Your Google AdSense account is ready to use. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.